Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 1st of March, 2022. Hope you had a good trading day on Monday. It wasn't that exciting, honestly. Went all over the board, choppy mess. We're in a news-driven environment. We keep telling people that. Make sure your size is down. Do not go crazy. Try to keep everything in control. Wait for the best possible setups. And that's it. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. We'll talk about what the indices did for the day, but we're still well under the downtrend line. We've obviously bounced off of the Ukraine invasion back on Wednesday night, Thursday last week, but we're still under the main downtrend line. Okay, S&P cash loses 10 points, 10.7. It's kind of up and down for the session, gap down, then filled. We'll see that in a minute. NASDAQ 100 gains 48.65, not a big deal. The SOX loses 23 points. Nobody cares. The biotech's down 14.67. Nobody cares there either. The Russell 2000 is up 7 points. This thing's near the lows, obviously. Crude oil finally starting to actually rise. Closes new all-time closing high for the year, up $4.23 at 95.82. So we've had some spikes near 100, but can't get over it. Gold up 23 points on the session. Gold again trying to break out. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was negative 19, basically even. So more equal stocks up and down. On the New York, negative 121, also about even. So really the market was pretty balanced in terms of advanced decline ratio. NASDAQ volume 5.9 billion shares. That's a good one. So we'll see what that means ultimately. The VIX closes up $2.56. After being even higher during the day at one point in time. We're at 30.15. Let's see if we get that run to 40. I'm guessing it's coming. We'll see what happens. String closes at 1.36. Puts the 10-day moving average at 1.17. Apple up 27 cents. Amazon down 4.51. Facebook up 55 cents. Again, a blip. Most of these stocks really did nothing all day. Google up $11.95. That is a blip on Google. Goldman Sachs down $8.83. Netflix up $3.72. Peloton gains 87 cents. Off the lows a little bit. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 3 points. So bonds higher, rates lower, but we're still near the lows. Tesla up 60.56. Big move there. Zoom up $7.28. Bitcoin sitting at 41,740. So this was a big move up day on Bitcoin, which is now recovered. But look, if you just look at January 1st on, we've kind of been in a very stable range. Nothing really going on in Bitcoin and cryptos through all this. There was a dip last Thursday, just like the markets dipped. It recovered. Now we're moving up, and the markets have been up since the Ukrainian thing. So it's pretty much in sync with the market as usual. Dow down 166 points, but let's be honest, who cares about the Dow? All right, in terms of intraday action, look at this. So Friday we had gapped up. We almost filled. We came back up ahead of lunch, and then just dead flat ahead of the weekend, right? And then we spent basically all of today kind of up in that same flat range, back and forth, choppy, fill, gap down, fill the gap. You know, there's just nothing here. I mean, that's just the bottom line. We're not seeing anything interesting. NASDAQ is kind of the same general mode. Again, be careful because it's news driven. Everybody's worried that they could, be involved, and then suddenly something happens and it pulls the plug on them either direction, obviously. So this is not your ideal trading environment, but we will continue to look for setups and go from there. Futures were good today. In terms of economic data coming out on Tuesday, here in the U.S., we've got the final manufacturing PMI number at 945, ISM manufacturing and construction spending at 10, Ward's total vehicle sales at some point during the day. That's about it. So not much here, and a lot of manufacturing PMI data coming out of Europe overnight, but nothing super spectacular. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.